x square p square plus y square q square equals z square. If you divide the complete equation on LHS and RHS using z square, we have the RHS becoming 1, and in the LHS we obtain x square p square upon z square plus y square q square upon z square. If you replace p square by dou z by dou x and q square by dou z by dou y, and you wish to write this equation using whole square notation, you will get this expression: x by z into dou z by dou x the whole square, y by z into dou z by dou y the whole square equals 1. Equation 1 and 2 are exactly the same. Now, if you assume dx by x equals du, dy by y equals dv, and dz by z equals dw, so that integrating both sides of each equations you obtain log x equals u, log y equals v, and log z equals w. Consider w by u, which equals log z upon log x. When you take dou w upon dou u, you obtain derivative of log z is 1 by z dou z, and derivative of log x is 1 by x dou x. This expression can be rewritten as x by z into dou z by dou x, which is this term. Therefore, x by z into dou z by dou x can now be replaced by dou w upon dou u. Similarly, if you evaluate w by v, you get log z upon log y. When you consider dou w upon dou v, you will get y by z into dou z by dou y. Therefore, this complete expression can now be replaced by dou w by dou v. Hence, equation 2 can be rewritten as dou w by dou u the whole square plus dou w by dou v the whole square equals 1. If you suppose p equals partial derivative dou w upon dou u and capital Q equals partial derivative dou w upon dou v, similar to partial derivatives small p and small q, we can rewrite this equation as p square plus q square equals 1. Here both p and q are capital P and Q. Now you notice that p square plus q square equals 1 is the partial differential equation of the form f of pq equals 0, where capital P equals dou w by dou u and capital Q equals dou w by dou v. We have similar format f of small p small q equals 0, which gives the complete solution z equals ax plus by plus c. Therefore, the complete solution for this partial differential equation capital P square plus capital Q square equals 1 will be of the form w equals au plus bv plus c, because when you considered f of small p small q equals 0, where small p is the partial derivative dou z by dou x and small q is the partial derivative dou z by dou y, the independent variables were x and y, and z was the dependent variable. Therefore, the format of complete solution was dependent variable z equals constant times independent variable x plus constant times next independent variable y plus constant of integration. Similarly, here w is the dependent variable and u and v are the independent variable. Hence, you will expect a complete solution for this partial differential equation in the form dependent variable w equals constant times independent variable u plus another constant times independent variable v plus constant of integration c. Thus, you obtain equation 3. In p square plus q square equals 1, if you put capital P equals a and capital Q equals b, you get a square plus b square equals 1, from where we have b as a function of a. B is obtained as root of 1 minus a square. When you give b equals root of 1 minus a square in equation 3, you obtain this equation. Now we replace w by log z, u by log x, and v by log y, so that we obtain log z equals a log x plus root of 1 minus a square log y plus c, which is the desired complete solution.